Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through some popular add-ons and services people use with Stremio for live TV content. Different options provide different features, with some focusing on free legal channels, while others allow you to connect your own playlists and services. One commonly used option is IPTV Smarters, which allows users to load their own IPTV playlists and organize channels into categories such as sports, news, and entertainment. It is often used by people who already have access to an IPTV service and want a cleaner viewing interface. Another popular option is Pluto TV. Pluto TV offers a large collection of free and legal channels without requiring a paid subscription. It includes categories such as news, movies, sports, and entertainment, and is often chosen by users looking for a straightforward live TV experience. Samsung TV Plus is another service that provides a variety of live channels across news, entertainment, and lifestyle categories. It is designed as a free streaming option and is known for offering a simple viewing experience. For users already familiar with Plex, Plex Live TV can provide access to free live channels through the Plex ecosystem. It includes a mix of news and entertainment content with regularly updated channel selections. There are also playlist-based tools such as M3U playlist integrations that allow users to load their own channel lists and customize the content they access. This gives more flexibility for users who want greater control over their viewing setup. Advanced users sometimes connect tools like Jacket to help organize and improve content discovery across different sources. These types of tools can help streamline the overall experience depending on how a streaming setup is configured. Finally, services like Tubi also provide free and legal content with live and on-demand viewing options, making them useful additions for people looking for more entertainment choices without subscriptions. Each option offers different strengths, so choosing the right combination depends on the type of content you want and the streaming experience you prefer. And that's it. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.